First, let's cut this lily since it is leaning on the ground. Here is the beautiful lily. Look at that. Let's put this on the vase so it doesn't wilt while we harvest more vegetables and fruits. So these are the figs that I picked earlier from this tree, from this fig tree. And then I harvested some lemons too, a big one and a tiny one. Now let's harvest some eggplant. Some eggplants are ready. I'll use this one. Eggplants are here all the way to the other side. It's like really hot right now. Look at this corn. These corns are planted from seeds, and there are some that are planted from seedlings, bought as seedlings from the nursery. But the eggplants are here. This is ready. And then this is still like small. I'll wait for it to get bigger. And I think this one is ready too. 1 second. This is ready. This one is ready. I'm going to make omelette. My favorite. And this one too. So I'll harvest all this. Or maybe 3. I think this is probably like, will get bigger. So this one, I'll harvest this one. And the other 2. Together. I didn't know. They're twins. A twin eggplant. This peach is ready. Donut peach. I'll try to make a ramoni peach flavored ramoni. I'll try this with club soda and sugar. And then there's another peach here that is ready too. Is this ready? Not yet, I think. And we have strawberries here that are ready. Some strawberries here are ready. Okay, I'll go the other side, I think. Oh, this is, oh, I think that one is ready too. Oh, and look at these purple beans. The purple beans. There's a flower of a purple bean. And then here, this is actually a little like ripe, really ripe. One here, or like 3 here, and then more on the other side. Like over there, you see those 3, so 6 strawberries. And these 2, these 3 are ready too. Choink, choink, choink. So I have 6 strawberries here. Oh, this is like really ripe. So 5, I have 5 strawberries here, and then I have a peach, and then these eggplants. I'm not sure if you could see those eggplants. Let's put them on our stash. Let's put the strawberries next to the figs. And then the eggplant. Oh, look at this. I have a twin eggplant. I didn't know. Oh, look at that. A twin eggplant. I only saw this one. I didn't know that when I cut this one, the other one is also like part of it. So we have the twin eggplant. and then the other eggplant. Now let's harvest the tomatoes that are left. Tomato is ready, and then we have more here. This is ready too. This one too. And this. Look at them. And this too. Look at these tomatoes. Oops, I dropped one. Okay, put them on the side. This is ready. This one is ready too. Lava flow. These are lava flow tomatoes, along with the other tomatoes that I dropped. 1 second. So here are the. Oops, I dropped one again. So here are the tomatoes. Okay, let's put this on our stash. Look at these tomatoes. So let's put our tomatoes here. We can harvest more cherry tomatoes later. Now let's bring our basket and harvest nectarine. I'll try to make a nectarine like cake or like dessert later. These are the oranges, and then the nectarines are here. Right, sorry, it's very loud right now. But this is like ready. There's a lot that are ready actually. Look at them. Pretty exciting. Look at this. I will only harvest what we can, like, oh, this is still like not soft. This one is very soft. I will only harvest what we can finish, but I'll try to make probably a cake or a dessert. This one is ready too. The ones that are soft I'm going to use for baking. That are like the ones that are like still firm, I'm going to eat. Probably make popsicle too. Is this soft? Yeah, this one is soft too. So look at these nectarines. Here, I think these are like soft. Yeah, very soft. Oh my gosh, this is like super soft. This one is not soft yet, but this one is for like eating. How about this one? It's okay. This branch is loaded. Look at them. Not yet ready. Not yet ready. Not yet soft. This one too. And then let's check here. Oh, this one is soft. And here is our nectarine harvest. Let's go back to our stash. And the next would be the grapes. And then we're done. Probably some herbs too. I'll try to pick some sage, and then so here you go. Let's put in our nectarine here. Look at our nectarines. Very pretty, right? Those are the nectarines. And then let's harvest some grapes. Ooh. And then let's go cut grapes. Look at this lily. to that side. So the grapes, a lot of grapes already. Cannot resist. I need to eat one. Very. Yum yum. Look at all these grapes. And up there too. The super yummy grapes. I cannot hold the camera. But I'll try this. We have a lot more there hiding on the citrus tree. Look at those. This tree, this is so cute. Look, this is a laurel plant, like the bay, where you get the bay leaves. And then look at that. So you can pretend, oh, our laurel plant has like grapes. Laurel plant produced grapes, right? So cute. I'm not going to harvest a lot. I'll just harvest what we can finish for lunch because I like to eat them like freshly picked. On to here. So these are the grapes. Maybe they should be... Should I get more? No, I'll get more for eating right now. This one. This one is pretty close to me. This one. Oh, yum yum. Yum yum. So sweet. Look at that. They're very pretty, right? And I can see this grapevine from our kitchen window. I'll get this. And I'll get this. And I'll eat them. Yummy. So back to our stash. Hi bee. This is fennel. Hello bee. And this is kumquat. Kumquat has a lot of flowers that need to be pollinated. And I see a bee there. Back to our stash. With the grapes, I'll put the grapes in the middle. Or maybe next to the lemon. Oops. Yeah, as well eat that. There you go. One more here. So that's our harvest for today. Here's our backyard edible garden harvest today. We have some lemons, tomatoes, nectarines, eggplants, grapes, figs, strawberries, and peach and mint too.